Why don't doctors talk about this? Because this simple, cheap, natural ingredient often works. Most expensive medicines they prescribe fail. One of the old doctors told me we used to resort to it when the body did not want to respond. I wasn't satisfied with just this, so I researched for long hours and consulted. Then I reached the conclusion about health problems that afflict us as seniors, which can mostly be gotten rid of with apple cider vinegar only. But if we use it the correct way, which I will explain to you, forget what they say. Let's begin. Problem 10. Fixes stiff and sore. Knees. Let's start right with David's biggest complaint. Those stiff, sore knees. You know the feeling. It's that grinding, bone-on-bone feeling when you stand up. It's that deep, dull ache that makes you have to sit on the edge of the bed for a full minute just to get your legs working. This is caused by inflammation that settles in your joints overnight, and it robs you of your mornings. Here is the secret method David used, the ACV warm compress. This is the secret 95% of people never try. They're too busy drinking it, they forget they can use it on their body. Here is exactly what you do. Do not drink this, find a small bowl. Pour in 1 cup of raw apple cider vinegar. We'll talk about the exact kind in a minute. Now add 1 cup of warm water. Not hot, just comfortably warm. Soak a clean washcloth in this mixture. Wring it out so it's not dripping. Go sit in your favorite chair, put your feet up, and wrap that warm, damp cloth directly around your sore knee. Cover it with a small dry hand towel to keep the heat in. Just sit there for 20 minutes. How does it work? It's simple, but brilliant. The gentle, penetrating warmth soothes the joint instantly. But the ACV is the real secret. Its compounds are believed to have natural anti-inflammatory properties that soak through the skin to calm that deep swelling. You'll feel the immediate comfort from the warmth, but the real stiffness relief often begins after a week of consistent use. Now here is the common mistake. People use cold vinegar. This is a huge mistake. Cold makes your muscles tense up. The water must be warm. Feeling good in your joints changes your morning. But what about the problem that ruins your evening? That fiery burn that crawls up your chest? Let's quiet that for good, because 90% of people are treating it completely wrong. Problem 9. Quiets acid reflux for good. This one will surprise you. Most people think, acid reflux? My problem is too much acid. Why would I add more? This is why 90% of people fail. Let's talk about the problem. You eat a wonderful dinner, and an hour later, you feel it. That fiery, burning sensation in your chest, and that sour taste in your throat. You're afraid to lie down. This is more than an annoyance. That constant acid, left ignored, can cause real damage to the delicate lining of your throat over time. Here is the method, the Reflux Reset Elixir. The secret is dilution and timing. This is very specific. Get a full 8-ounce glass of warm or room temperature water. Add just 1 single teaspoon of raw ACV. Stir it well. Now the secret. You must drink this 20 minutes before your meal. Not during, not after. Before. Why does this work? It's the opposite of what you think. For many seniors, reflux is not caused by too much acid. It's caused by too little acid. Because your stomach isn't acidic enough, the lid at the top of your stomach doesn't get the signal to close tightly. Food and acid splash back up. This gentle diluted sip before the meal tells that lid to snap shut tight, keeping the acid where it belongs. Here is the common mistake: drinking it straight or drinking it after you eat. That is like adding gasoline to a fire. It must be heavily diluted, and it must be 20 minutes before. You might not notice a miracle the first time, but by the end of the week, many people find they sleep through the night without that sour taste. Fixing this is the first step. But what if your food just sits there? That heavy, rock-like feeling from slow digestion? That's next. Problem 8 boosts slow digestion. This is a problem many seniors are too embarrassed to talk about. Slow, sluggish digestion. Mary, a 68-year-old from Florida, told me, "I eat a small lunch and I still feel full at dinner time. It's like a rock sitting in your stomach." You feel heavy, bloated, and have no energy because your body isn't getting nutrients from your food. Why does this happen after 60? As we age, our natural production of digestive enzymes slows way down. This method is called the digestive fire-up. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw ACV and, this is key, 1 teaspoon of raw unpasteurized honey into a small cup of warm water. The water must be warm to dissolve the honey, but not hot. Drink this 15 minutes before your largest meal of the day. How does this work? It's a two-part solution. The ACV prepares your stomach, but the raw honey is full of natural living enzymes that support your body's own digestion. Think of it like sending in a small cleanup crew to help your stomach do its job. You won't feel a big flush. You'll just feel lighter after your meal. That constant heavy bloated feeling starts to fade. And when your digestion works, your body can finally stop storing all that fuel and start using it. This is the real key to that stubborn fat around the middle. Problem 7. Fixes stubborn belly fat. Now, let's be 100% honest. Apple cider vinegar is not a magic fat melter. It doesn't just melt fat while you sit on the couch. That's a myth. The problem is that stubborn ring of fat around your belly, the kind that no amount of walking seems to touch. And that fat isn't just about how you look. Doctors call it visceral fat, and it's dangerous because it crowds your organs. The method is the metabolic support sip. And good news, it's the same method we just learned. 1 teaspoon of ACV, with or without the raw honey, in a glass of warm water before your meal. Here is how it really works. Studies suggest the acetic acid in the vinegar does 2 powerful things. First, it helps support a healthy metabolism. Second, and this is the part you can feel, it improves your feeling of fullness. This means you naturally feel satisfied with less food. You don't feel the need to go back for that second helping. You stop craving sweets after your meal. A lady named Barbara, 72, told me after a month, "My pants are not tight anymore. I just feel lighter." By supporting your metabolism and helping you feel full, it supports your body's own natural fat-burning process. What's amazing is that this same process, the one that helps your belly, is directly connected to your brain. This is the connection 99% of people never make. Problem 6. Fixes senior brain fog. They think their brain is separate from their stomach? It is not. Let's talk about that senior brain fog. You know what it is? It's when you walk into the kitchen and stop, completely forgetting why you're there. It's when you're searching for your glasses and they are on top of your head. When you're 40 and forget your keys, it's funny. When you're 70, it's frightening. It makes you worry. This method is the brain fog lifter. And for this, timing is everything. Take 1 teaspoon of raw ACV in a glass of water with your meal. Not before, but with it. Take a bite of food. Take a sip of your ACV water. Why does this work? That brain fog you feel after eating is often caused by a massive blood sugar spike followed by a crash. Your meal, especially if it has bread, floods your body with sugar, and your brain gets overwhelmed. By taking the ACV with the meal, the vinegar acts like a traffic cop. It tells the sugar from your food to enter your bloodstream slowly and steadily. This keeps your blood sugar stable. And when your blood sugar is stable, your brain gets a steady supply of energy. You will feel this the very first time. You'll eat lunch, and you won't feel that sleepy, must-take-a-nap feeling. You will feel that cool, clear feeling of focus. Clearing the daily fog is one thing. But what about the deeper fear? That senior forgetfulness that really scares us? Let's talk about that. Problem 5. Reverses senior forgetfulness. This is about protecting your memory for the long term. It's when you struggle to remember a grandchild's name for a split second. It's frightening. We're told it's just a part of getting older, but ignoring it is a risk. We have to be proactive. This method is called the daily protective sip. It isn't a new recipe. It is an explanation of the long-term benefit of what you are already doing. Your brain health is not just in your head. It is directly linked to your gut health and the health of your blood vessels. When you use ACV to support your digestion, problem 8, you are helping your gut, and a healthy gut leads to a healthy brain. When you use ACV to support your blood sugar, problem 6, you are protecting your blood vessels. And healthy blood vessels mean more oxygen and nutrients can get to your brain. Think of it as keeping the highways to your brain clear. Here is the common mistake. People try this for 3 days and quit. This is not a 3-day fix. This is a 30-year protection plan. The key is consistency. 1 sip once a day with a meal. You are building a healthier, sharper brain for tomorrow. But none of this will work if you buy the wrong vinegar. Before we get to our final 4, I must share the golden rule. The golden rule, an Amazon link. This is the mistake 99% of people make. If you get this wrong, you are just drinking sour water. You cannot use the cheap clear vinegar in the big plastic jug. That is just colored acid and water. It's dead. You need the vinegar that is still alive. And to find it, you need to look for 3 specific signs on the label. The first sign is raw. This means it hasn't been pasteurized or boiled at a high temperature. That high heat kills all the good healing enzymes and beneficial bacteria that we actually want for our health. The second sign is unfiltered. This is just as important. It means they didn't pass the vinegar through tiny filters just to make it look clear and pretty. We want it to look cloudy. That cloudiness is a good sign, and that cloudiness leads to the most important part. The third sign, with the mother. The mother isn't a defect. It's that cloudy, stringy, cobweb-like stuff that settles at the bottom of the bottle. This is the powerhouse. This is the living colony of good bacteria and enzymes. It's the part that does all the work. So remember, raw means not boiled. Unfiltered means not stripped. And with the mother means the healing part is still inside. You must shake the bottle gently every single time to mix the mother back in. This is the key. If you are not sure what to buy, I have put a link in the description and first comment to the exact kind of high-quality, raw, unfiltered ACV that old-timers trust. Now that you have the right tool, let's talk about your body's main filter. Problem 4. Flushes toxic. Liver sludge. Let's talk about your body's main filter, your liver. Many people over 60 feel they have a sluggish liver or toxic liver sludge. What does that feel like? It means you feel tired all the time, no matter how much you sleep. Your skin looks dull. You just feel heavy. Why does this happen after 60? As we age, our liver has been working hard for decades. It's like a filter in your car that hasn't been cleaned in 60 years. It gets clogged. This method is the Liver Support Morning Start. This is the very first thing you do when you wake up. Before coffee, before breakfast. Go to your kitchen. Get a glass of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of your raw ACV with the mother, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice if you have it. Stir it and drink it down. Now let's be clear. ACV is not a harsh detox that flushes your liver in 1 day. But this gentle, warm, acidic drink is believed to help stimulate your liver's natural processes. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your liver. It supports your body's own amazing ability to cleanse itself and start the day right. After a week of this, many people report they just feel lighter and have a bit more energy in the morning. When your liver works better, your blood is cleaner. And when your blood is cleaner, it directly helps the silent problem your doctor is always warning you about. Problem 3, lowers high blood pressure. This is the one, the silent problem, high blood pressure. You don't feel it, but your doctor is always warning you about that top number. And that high number is a huge risk. It's a constant dangerous stress on your heart, your kidneys, and your arteries 24 hours a day. Remember David from the beginning? This was his other big problem. A gentleman named George, 72, had the same issue. His doctor was threatening to double his medication. The method is the blood pressure support sip. It is 1 teaspoon of raw ACV with the mother in a glass of water twice a day, once with your breakfast and once with your dinner, every single day. How does it work? The science is still being studied, but it's believed the acetic acid in the vinegar helps the body in a way that supports the relaxation of blood vessels. Here's the analogy. Think of your arteries like an old, stiff garden hose. The pressure builds up. This simple sip is thought to help them become more relaxed and flexible, like a new garden hose, so the pressure inside naturally improves. Now, this is critical. This is not a replacement for your medication. You must not stop taking your pills. But it is a powerful support you can add. Both David and George, after a month of this, got a nod of approval from their doctors. This is powerful, but it's connected to something even more fundamental, the roller coaster that is ruining your health. Problem 2. Reverses high blood sugar. This is one of the most scientifically studied benefits of ACV, and it's directly connected to blood pressure, belly fat, and brain fog. It is the root of so many senior problems. High blood sugar. Your blood sugar is on a roller coaster. It spikes after every meal, then crashes. This is what damages your artery walls. This is what fogs your brain. This is what tells your body to store fat. This method is the sugar blunting secret. The timing here is critical. You must take 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw ACV with the mother in a small glass of water right before you eat a meal that is high in carbohydrates. What does that mean? It means right before you eat bread, pasta, potatoes, rice, or a piece of cake. Why? Multiple studies have shown that the ACV acts like a shield. It helps your body manage that sugar load. It can significantly blunt or lower the big, dangerous blood sugar spike you would normally get from that meal. A man named James, 69, told me he loves his toast in the morning, but his doctor told him to stop. Now, he has his small glass of ACV water right before his toast. His numbers are stable and his doctor is happy. You will feel this the very first time. You'll eat that pasta and you won't feel that sleepy, must-take-a-nap feeling an hour later. That clear-headed feeling, that's the feeling of stable blood sugar. We've covered 9 secrets, but I saved the most important for last, the one that connects everything. The one 95% of people are really here for. Problem 1. Melts artery plaque. This is it. We've covered 9 powerful, secret ways to use apple cider vinegar, but I saved the most important for last. This is the one that connects everything we've talked about. The blood sugar, the blood pressure, the brain fog, and the belly fat. This is problem number 1. Artery plaque. Everyone is looking for a magic food that melts plaque. That dangerous, waxy buildup that stiffens your arteries, blocks blood flow, and leads to the most serious health dangers of all. Here is the ultimate secret. It's the truth 95% of people don't want to hear, but I am going to tell you. Apple cider vinegar cannot melt plaque like a chemical drain cleaner. That is a dangerous myth. Anyone who tells you that is lying. The real secret is that plaque builds up because of other things. It builds up because of high blood sugar damaging your artery walls. It builds up because of high blood pressure pounding against those walls day after day. It builds up because of chronic inflammation. The 9 methods we just discussed. That is the real secret. By using the ACV warm compress to fight inflammation, by using the sugar blunting secret to stop blood sugar spikes, by using the blood pressure support sip to relax your blood vessels, you are tackling the root causes of plaque. You are stopping the damage before it starts. You are supporting your body's natural ability to heal. The secret 95% of people miss isn't a magic trick. It's using these simple daily methods to support your body's own amazing power to heal itself.